really exactly when or how in that process I started adding communion. But man, when I did, and I started getting on my knees and taking communion, the tears started to just come. And they were tears not of repentance. It was nothing to do with me. It was tears because I was so overwhelmed by the beauty and the glory of Jesus, of just his goodness in my life. I was so overwhelmed. And it was not one day. It was 2 days, then 3 days, then 4 days, and then like a month of every single time I thought, am I ever going to stop crying? Like every time I come into God's presence, I'm crying. But the Lord was doing that to woo me, to show me, Cecily, I am answering the cry of your heart. As you are responding to my invitation to come into the secret place, you're realizing now that this is how you come to know me.